why does iPhone's camera, like, they upgrade these cameras every year? I mean, I literally look like Frosty the fucking Snowman.
3 hours later.
Look how greasy that pizza is. That can't be good for you. Huh. I still look like Frosty the fucking Snowman. So much fucking cheese. Alright, so every time I put you guys up on the dash, fucking pizza grease on my phone. Every time I put you guys on the dash, sounds like I'm in a fucking helicopter. I want to get one of the microphones that you can use, that you can actually, I think they're like Bluetooth or something, so I don't sound like I'm in like bubble wrap or shit.
Later that same evening.
Hey guys, so I'm out of my 9 to 5 finally, heading home right now. I did get the parts for my door to get that new handle on. I'm gonna have some help, so it's gonna be a little bit, but I'm gonna take it out to my buddy's house and they're gonna give me a hand getting the door ripped apart and the new handle on. You can kind of see it. Obviously this handle is just straight busted. Like, it won't even let me open. Won't let me open the door at all, so I have to always roll down the window and open it from the outside instead of being able to open it from the inside. That can kind of be a pain in the ass, especially if it's snowing really hard, raining really hard, and it's just nice to have a door that opens. It's like a war zone in there. Sweetheart, what are you doing? What is that? Here's my door handle.
Eventually.
You ain't got a reason, and I'ma smoke when you pull away. So roll on, son. We be riding the roads, getting stoned. We ain't seen the police all night long. He busted open the bag and put a couple bucks in my hand. By the time he see my eyes, I swear.
Alrighty, so I'm heading out to my buddy's house right now. We're actually about there. So first thing, they got, ooh, there's deer right there. That might be a buck, actually. There's a deer somewhere in here. He just crossed right here and came right here. Went in this brush. Oh, yeah, the first thing we're doing is something with a Pontiac that he's working on. The airbag needs to be released. We're gonna try getting that out first, and then we'll move over to the truck and get the door handle fixed, which should be pretty quick. Also, I need some feedback, but I kind of feel like I'm yelling at the camera when I'm vlogging. So, like, are they even here? Oh, they must be up at Gills. But anyways, yeah, so like if I'm yelling at the camera, just let me know in the comments. I want to get that microphone. That microphone would actually help a ton. What in the fuck? Looks like they were just deciding to come down when I was pulling up. My dad's in that truck, and then Gel, my buddy Gel, yeah, they're helping me. Ouch, fucker! Ah, pinch my finger. Stupid fucking child-proof locks out. Oh, there you go. Yeah, yeah. Fucker's tight.
somewhere in the door panel, but. Bring that fucker right over to this table and set it up.
Alright, so we got the door handle on. That's all good. But we had the cable wherever that thing went. So there's the little cable that, well, it's not supposed to be little. It's supposed to reach all the way over here for the door. But obviously it's broken off. So yeah, so other than getting that cable ordered, which we'll probably do tomorrow, she should be back in TikTok shape. I gotta get that zipped up. He's just smacking right now, dude. What are you doing? Alright, that's gonna be the end of the vlog. I'll see you guys next time.